Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murhari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain K-set differential equations previous year questions. Okay, now explain question number 1 from 2020. Find the order of C1y equal to C2 plus C3 into e to the power x plus C4. Okay, where y is equal to C2 plus C3 by C1 into e to the power x plus C4. It can be written as e to the power x into e to the power C4. Okay, so let us take a is equal to C2 plus C3 by C1 into e to the power C4. Okay, therefore y is equal to a into e to the power x. In this, how many arbitrary constants are there? Only one arbitrary constant is there. So direct order is equal to 1. Okay, according to process now explain. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of y, we have y1 is equal to a into differentiation of e to the power x. We get e to the power x. So a e to the power x, this place in we should write y. So y1 is equal to y. This is the differential equation. So in this differential equation, order is equal to. So what is the order? Highest derivative in the differential equation. So what is the highest derivative? 1. dy by dx is there. So order is equal to 1. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020 question. The general solution of differential equation x square dy minus 2xy dx equal to x to the power 4 cos x dx. Okay. So divide dx on both sides. First this convert into linear differential equation form. Okay, divide dx on both sides. Okay, it will going to be x square dy by dx minus 2xy dx by dx x to the power 4 cos x dx by dx. Okay, so in this dx get cancelled. What is the linear differential equation form? Dy by dx. So dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So now divide x square on both sides. X square dy by dx minus 2xy equal to x to the power cos x. Okay, now divide x square on both sides. Okay, this equation on comparing the equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q. In this one x square get cancelled, one x get cancelled. Where p value minus 2 by x, where p is equal to minus 2 by x and q is equal to x square cos x. Okay, first we have to find integral factor if e to the power integral p dx formula. E to the power integral, we have p value minus 2 by x dx. Okay, e to the power minus 2 constant, integral 1 by x is nothing but log x. So e to the power minus 2 log x. Minus 2 log x is nothing but log x to the power minus 2. Log x to the power minus 2. Okay, this is nothing but we have one formula e to the power log m base c is equal to m. E to the power log x power minus 2 base c, this is nothing but x to the power minus 2. Okay, so what is the general solution formula? So y into I of integral factor is equal to integral q into I of into dx. Okay, okay, we have integral factor value 1 by x square, q value x square cos x. So what is the formula? General solution formula y into I of equal to integral q into integral factor into dx. So y into integral factor. If this integral factor value 1 by x square, q value x square cos x, integral factor value x square 1 by x square dx. In this x square get cancelled. Now it will going to be y by x square is equal to integral cos x value. We have sin x plus c. So let us do cross product. Y is equal to x square sin x plus cx square. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020. The curve passing through the point 1, 2. Given that the slope of tangent at any point xy is 3x by y. So slope of tangent denoted by dy by dx equal to 3x by y given. Okay. So by using variable separable method. Okay, let us do cross product 3x dx equal to y dy. Okay. Now taking integration on both sides, integral 3x dx equal to integral y dy. So it will going to be 3 constant. Integral x dx is x square by 2 equal to y square by 2 plus c. Okay, this curve passing through the point is given 1 and 2. This curve passing through the point 1, 2. On xy plane, we substitute 1, 2. So 3 into 1 by 2 equal to y square by 2, 4 by 2. Okay, it will going to be 3 by 2 minus 4 by 2, c will be minus 1 by 2. Okay, c value minus 1 by 2, substitute in equation 1. So 3x square by 2 equal to y square by 2, c value minus 1 by 2. Okay, 2 get cancelled. This plus y is to bring the left side, 3x square minus y square equal to minus 1. This curve represents rectangular hyperbola. This is in the form of x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to minus 1. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019. Integral factor of 2x plus 3y square into dy is equal to y dx. Okay. So this convert into in the form of dx by dy plus px is equal to q of y. Okay, what is given? 2x plus 3y square equal to this dy divide on right side y dx by dy. Okay, so plus 3y square bring the plus 2x bring the right side. So it will going to be 3y square is equal to y dx by dy minus 2x. So what is the dx by dy coefficient? Y. Divide y on both sides. So 3y square by y equal to dx by dy minus 2x by y. This is in the form of 1y get cancelled. This is in the form of q is equal to dx by dy plus p into x. Okay, where p is equal to minus 2 by y and q is equal to 3y. So first our target is integral factor. Integral factor equal to e to the power integral p dy formula. So e to the power integral p value minus 2 by y dy. So e to the power minus 2 constant. So 1 by y. Integral 1 by y is log y. This is nothing but e to the power log of y to the power minus 2 base c. Okay, this minus 2 taking in power. So log y to the power minus 2 base c. Okay, e to the power log y to the power minus 2 base c is nothing but y to the power minus 2 is 1 by y square. So what is the integral factor? 1 by y square. So now I explain general solution also. So general solution, this is the type 2 differential equation. So general solution formula x into if equal to integral q into if into dx. Okay, if into dy. Where x into integral factor value 1 by y square, we got it, equal q value 3y into integral factor value 1 by y square. So 1y get cancelled. So it will going to be x by y square equal to 3 into integral 1 by y is nothing but log y plus c. So what is the answer? X by y square equal to 3 log y plus c. Okay, this general solution no need, but our target is integral factor. What is the answer? 1 by y square. So answer is 1 by y square. Okay, look at the next question. This is from 2019. the curve passing through the point 1 1 such that the slope of tangent at any point xy is equal to product of its coordinates. Okay, so what is given? Slope of tangent dy by dx equal to product of its coordinates. Okay, product of its coordinates is xy. So by using variable separable method, so we should separate variables. Dy by y is equal to x dx. Now applying integration on both sides. So integral dy by y is equal to integral x dx. It will going to be, this is log y. So log y is equal to x square by 2 plus c. So let us take equation 1. This curve passing through the point is given 1 1. This curve passing through the point 1 1. On xy plane 1 1 substitute this way, it will going to be log 1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus c. Log 1 value 0. So 0 equal to 1 by 2 plus c we get minus 1 by 2. Okay, in equation 1, x square by 2, where c placing we should write minus 1 by 2. Okay, let us do LCM. What is LCM? 2. So 2 log y is equal to x square minus 1. This is the answer. Okay, moving to next question. This is from 2019. The order of differential equation. Okay, so what is given? Y is equal to c1 e to the power c2 plus x plus c3 into e to the power c4 plus x. We have one formula, a to the power m plus n equal to a to the power m into a to the power n. Okay, y is equal to c1 into e to the power c2 into e to the power x, c3 into e to the power c4 into e to the power x. One e power x take out common, c1 e to the power c2, c3 e to the power c4. Okay, let us take, this is constant. C1 constant, C2 constant, E constant, all are constants. So let us take A is equal to C1 e to the power C2 plus C3 e to the power C4. Okay, so Y is equal to A e to the power x. In this, how many arbitrary constants are there? Only one arbitrary constant is there. Therefore, order is equal to 1. So according to process, now I explain. So now differentiation on both sides, y1 is equal to a constant. Differentiation of e to the power x, we get e to the power x. So a e to the power x placing, we should write y. y1 is equal to y. Therefore, order is equal to 1. What is the order? Highest derivative of the differential equation. In this, highest derivative is dy by dx. So order is equal to 1. Okay, look at the next question. This is from 2018. The degree and order of the differential equation y2 equal to cube root of 1 plus y1 whole square. Okay, first this convert into polynomial equation. So cubing on both sides first. Cubing on both sides. Now it will going to be y2 whole cube is equal to cube root of 1 plus y1 square whole cube. Okay, cube root get cancelled. So y2 whole cube is equal to 1 plus y1 square. So order is equal to, in this highest derivative, y2. So order is equal to 2. What is degree? So power of exponent of or power of highest derivative. What is 3? What is given? 3. So power of highest derivative is degree. So 3 is degree. Order is equal to 2. Okay, now I am going to explain 2018 question, the solution of differential equation. Okay, this is in the form of type 1. dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, linear differential equation form. First divide x on both sides. It will going to be x dy by dx minus y is equal to x 3. Divide x on both sides. This equation on comparing dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, where p value minus 1 by x. P is equal to minus 1 by x and q is equal to 3 by x. First we have to find integral factor e to the power integral p dx. E to the power integral p value we have minus 1 by x dx, e to the power minus integral 1 by x is nothing but log x, e to the power minus log x, this is minus 1 taking in power log x inverse. We have one formula, m log n is equal to log n to the power m. Okay, so e to the power log a base c is equal to a, e to the power log x inverse base c is equal to is nothing but x inverse. X inverse is nothing but 1 by x. So what is the general solution formula? Y into integral factor is equal to integral q into if into dx. Y into integral factor, we have integral factor 1 by x, q value given 3 by x into integral factor is 1 by x dx. It will going to be 3 constant integral 1 by x square minus 1 by x. Okay, this is answer. So y by x is equal to minus 3 by x plus c. So y by x is equal to minus 3 by x plus c. Okay, this is answer. Let us do LCM. So y is equal to minus 3, LCM is x get cancelled after LCM, this is cx. Y is equal to minus 3 plus cx, this is a straight line. Okay, let me repeat. The general solution of formula y into if equal to integral q into if means integral factor dx. We got integral factor value 1 by x, q value 3 by x. Okay, now on substituting in this, y into integral factor value 1 by x is equal to integral q value write 3 by x, integral factor value we got 1 by x dx. So y by x is equal to minus, in this 3 get 3 constant, integral 1 by x square. Integral 1 by x square is minus 1 by x plus c. We have 1 by x square integration, integral x to the power minus 2, this is nothing but x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. This is nothing but minus 1 by x. Okay, let us do LCM. What is LCM? X is LCM. Minus 3 plus cx. Okay, so LCM get cancelled. So y is equal to minus 3 plus cx. So this is represents straight line. Okay, now moving to next question. So this is from 2018. Integral factor of dy by dx plus y is equal to 1 plus y by x. Okay. So dy by dx. This is in the form of type 1. Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, plus y is equal to 1 by x plus this y by x. Plus y by x bring the left side. Okay, it will going to be dy by dx plus y minus y by x is equal to 1 by x. Okay, so dy by dx, in this 1y take out common, 1 minus 1 by x equal to 1 by x. On comparing the equation 1, with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, q of x or q, where p value in this y coefficient is p. In equation 1, y coefficient is 1 minus 1 by x. Therefore, p is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. But our target is integral factor. We have formula integral e to the power integral p dx. E to the power integral p value 1 minus 1 by x dx. It will going to be e to the power integral 1. Integral 1 dx is nothing but x minus integral 1 by x is log x. Integral 1 dx is x, integral 1 by x is log x. E to the power x minus log x. So what is the answer? E to the power x minus log x. This is in the form of a to the power m minus n. A to the power m by a to the power n. So e to the power x by e to the power log x. So e to the power x by e to the power log x value, e to the power log x base c. This is nothing but x. So what is the answer? E to the power x by x. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2017. The general solution of differential equation dy by dx plus y is equal to 1. Okay. So what is given? Dy by dx plus y, bring the right side, 1 minus y. So by using variable separable method, okay, it will going to be dy by 1 minus y is equal to dx. Okay. So now taking integration on both sides, integral dy by 1 minus y is equal to integral dx. Integral dy by 1 minus y, we have log 1 minus y, log modulus of 1 minus y, but derivative of 1 minus y minus 1, integration is also 1 by minus 1 is equal to 1 dx value x plus c. So minus log 1 minus y. This minus taking in power, log of 1 minus y whole inverse is equal to x plus c. Okay, it will going to be log of 1 minus y whole inverse is log of 1 by 1 minus y is equal to x plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, look at the next question. This is from 2017. The degree and order of the differential equation. Okay, first we have to find order and degree. So what is the order? Highest derivative in the differential equation. In this, highest derivative is 2. So y2. So y2 means highest derivative is 2. Order is equal to 2. So power of highest derivative. Power of highest derivative is nothing but degree. So degree is equal to 1. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2017. The integral factor of x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square. Okay, first divide x on both sides. Dy by dx plus 2y by x is equal to x square by x. 1x get cancelled. Okay, this is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p value minus p, where p is equal to y coefficient is p, in this y coefficient is 2 by x, p is equal to 2 by x, but our target is integral factor. What is the integral factor formula? E to the power integral p dx, e to the power integral 2 by x dx, e to the power 2 constant, integral 1 by x is log x, 2 log x, e to the power 2 log x is nothing but log x square. Okay, base c, this is nothing but x square. What is the answer? X square. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2016. The solution of differential equation dy by y plus dx by x equal to 0. Okay. Now taking integration on both sides, integral dy by y plus integral dx by x equal to integral 0. So integral dy by y, we have log y. This formula is log x. Integral 0 is constant. So differentiation of constant is 0. Integral 0 is constant. Okay, constant, right? Log c. So log y plus log x is equal to log xy is equal to log c. Okay, if we removing logarithms on both sides, xy is equal to c. This is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2016. Find the order and degree of the differential equation. Okay, first we have to find order. This is the second order differential equation. Okay, this equation having d square y by dx square. So order is equal to 2. So what is order? Highest derivative of differential equation. So now explain degree. So degree is undefined. Why? Because in this sign dy by dx is given, sin dy by dx. Okay, we have sin x expansion, x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial plus up to infinity. Okay, minus and so on up to infinity. Okay, sin dy by dx. Sin dy by dx on expression, right? Dy by dx. So dy by dx minus dy by dx whole cube by 3 factorial plus dy by dx whole to the power 5 by 5 factorial, okay, minus and so on infinity. This is not polynomial equation, okay. So degree is undefined. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2016. Integral factor of x dy by dx minus y is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x. Okay, now divide x on both sides. So dy by dx minus y by x equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x by x, x cube minus 3. Okay, now on comparing, dy by dx plus py is equal to p into y is equal to q of x. Okay, p into y this is, where p value minus 1 by x. Okay, our target is integral factor. We have integral factor formula e to the power integral p dx. Okay, therefore integral factor is equal to e to the power integral p value. We have 1 by x minus 1 by x dx, e to the power minus integral 1 by x is log x. So log x base e to the power log of this minus 1 taking in power log x inverse base e is nothing but x inverse. X inverse is nothing but 1 by x. We have one formula a to the power log m base a is equal to m. E to the power log x inverse base e value x inverse. So x inverse is nothing but 1 by x. So what is the answer? 1 by x. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2015. Find the order of the differential equation. What is given? Equation of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to a square, where a is radius, chk is center. Okay, how many arbitrary constants are there? A radius is always fixed. Okay, how many arbitrary constants are there? 2 arbitrary constants are there. Therefore, order is equal to the number of arbitrary constants 2. Okay, order is equal to 2. Now I am going to explain the solution of differential equation x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square. Now divide x on both sides. Dy by dx plus 2y by x is equal to x square by x is nothing but x. On comparing this equation, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p is equal to 2 by x and q is equal to x. Therefore p is equal to 2 by x, q is equal to x. Okay, first we have to find integral factor. So integral factor formula e to the power integral p dx. E to the power integral p value 2 by x dx. It will going to be 2 constant in integral 1 by x is nothing but log x. E to the power log x is nothing but log x square base e. This is nothing but x square. Okay. Now general solution. What is the general solution formula? Y into if is equal, integral factor is equal to integral q into integral factor into dx. So y into, we have integral factor value x square. Y into x square is equal to integral q, where q value x, integral factor value x square. So this is integral x cube dx. So integral x cube is x to the power 4 by 4. So y x square is equal to x to the power 4 by 4 plus 6. This is answer. Okay, moving to next question. This is from 2014. The order and degree of the differential equation. Okay. So let us do LCM. Y is equal to x dy by dx. What is LCM? Dy by dx. So x dy by dx whole square plus 2. Okay, let us do cross product. It will be y into dy by dx is equal to x dy by dx whole square plus 2. So now explain order as well as degree. So what is the order? Highest differentiation of differential equation. In this highest derivative is dy by dx. Order is equal to 1. Degree, power of highest derivative. So exponent of highest derivative is 2. So degree is 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2014. The general solution of differential equation dy by dx plus y by x is equal to 3x. Okay. On comparing dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is the linear differential equation form. On comparing the equation 1 with dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p value 1 by x and q value 3x. First we have to find integral factor. E to the power integral p dx. Okay, e to the power integral p dx, p value 1 by x dx. It will going to be integral 1 by x. Now I say that log x. E to the power log x is nothing but x. Okay, now general solution. What is the formula? Y into integral factor is equal to integral q into if into dx. Integral factor into dx. Y into integral factor, we have got x. So integral q value 3x into x dx. It will going to be 3 constant. Integral x square dx is nothing but x cube by 3 plus c. So what is the answer? xy is equal to x cube plus c. This is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2013. The general solution of differential equation. So root under 1 minus x square y square dx is equal to y dx plus x dy. So y dx plus x dy, it will be d of xy. Derivative of xy is by using UV formula y dx plus x dy. So y into derivative of x dx plus x into derivative of y dy. Okay. So root under 1 minus this is xy whole square into dx. Now dx is equal to derivative of xy by root under 1 minus xy whole square. Okay. Now taking integration on both sides, integral dx is equal to integral d of xy by root under 1 minus xy whole square. So derivative integration get cancelled. X is equal to, so let us take xy is equal to t. So derivative of xy is equal to derivative of t. It will going to be integral dt by root under 1 minus t square, where xy place in right t. Integral dt by root 1 minus t square, we have sin inverse t formula. Sin inverse t plus c. Therefore x is equal to sin inverse of, in the place of t, we should write xy. So this is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2013. If m and n are order and degree of the differential equation. Okay. So y double dash power 5 plus 4 times of y double dash whole cube by y triple dash plus y triple dash is equal to sin x. So let us do LCM y triple dash. So y double dash power 5 y triple dash plus 4 times of y double dash whole cube y triple dash into y triple dash whole square equal to sin x into, let us do cross product, sin x into y triple dash. Okay. So now we have to find order as well as degree. So what is the order? Highest differentiation, highest derivative in the differential equation. In this highest derivative is y triple dash. Okay. So order is equal to 3. What is degree? Power of highest derivative. In this power of highest derivative 2. So order is degree is equal to 2. Okay, moving to next question. This is from 2012. The solution of e to the power dy by dx is equal to x. Okay. We have one formula. A to the power m is equal to n. Therefore m is equal to log n base a. Log n base a. Okay, e to the power dy by dx is equal to x. That implies dy by dx is equal to log x base a. Okay. So by using variable separable method, now it will going to be dy is equal to log x into dx. Okay, now taking integration on both sides, integral dy is equal to integral log x dx. We have integral log x is x into log x minus 1. Okay, by using integral by parts, this formula directed x into log x minus 1 plus c. Okay, this curve integral dy is y is equal to x times of log x minus 1 plus c. This curve passing when what is given? When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, we have to find c value. Okay, put expression 1, y value 0 is equal to 1 into log 1 minus 1 plus c. We have log 1 value 0. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So c we get plus 1. C minus 1 equal to 0, c value 1. So in this equation, from equation 1, y is equal to x into log x minus 1, where c place in, we should write 1. So this is answer. Okay, look at the next question. This question from 2011. If m and n are degree and order of the differential equation. So what is given? 1 plus y1 square power 2 by 3 equal to y2. Then we have to find m plus n by m minus n. Okay. This differential equation can be written as polynomial equation. Now cubing on both sides. 1 plus y1 square power 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to y2 whole cube. 3 get cancelled. 1 plus y1 square whole square equal to y2 whole cube. Now first we have to find order and degree. From this statement, where m is degree of the differential equation, this is m, this is n. Where n is order, m is degree. So what is order? Highest derivative. In this highest derivative is y2. Okay, order is equal to 2. So degree, power of highest derivative. In this power of highest derivative is 3, m is equal to 3. But what is our target? Required m plus n by m minus n. Okay, this is our target, m plus n by m minus n. Where m value 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 2. Okay, it will be 5. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2011. The general solution of dy by dx whole square equal to 1 minus x square minus y square plus x square y square. Okay, so what is given? Dy by dx whole square is equal to 1 minus x square. In this minus y square take out common, 1 minus x square. Now 1 minus x square common from here, remaining 1 minus y square. It will be dy by dx whole square. Okay, square root on both sides. Dy by dx is equal to root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus y square. By using variable separable method. Okay, so dy by root 1 minus y square is equal to root 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, now applying integration also. Okay, now applying integration on both sides. So this will be sin inverse y. So integral root 1 minus x square, it will going to be, so what is the formula? X by 2 into root 1 minus x square plus a square by 2, 1 square by 2 sin inverse x plus c. So this is answer. Okay, moving to next question. This is from 2010. The order and degree of the differential equation. What is given? Y is equal to x into dp by dx plus root over a square p square plus b square, where p value dy by dx. So therefore y is equal to x times of d by dx of, what is p? Write dy by dx plus root over a square into p value, write dy by dx whole square plus b square. Okay, so d by dx of dy by dx is nothing but d square y by dx square. This positive value bring left side, y minus x into, it will be d square y by dx square. Okay, write a square into dy by dx whole square plus b square. Okay, this differential equation can be written as polynomial equation. Now squaring on both sides, y minus x d square y by dx square whole square is equal, this root get cancelled, a square into dy by dx whole square plus b square. In this, first we have to find our order as well as degree. What is the order? I's derivative in the differential equation. In this d square y by dx square, double derivative is there. Order is equal to power of i's derivative. After a minus b whole square, power of d square y by dx square is d square y by dx square whole square. So degree is also 2. So degree order both are equal. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2010. The general solution of differential equation. So what is given? 2x dy by dx minus y is equal to 3. Now I say that 2x dy by dx, this minus y bring the right side 3 plus y. So by using variable separable method, so dy, okay, we should separate the variables. 3 plus y equal to dx by x. Okay, so 2 dy by 3 plus y is equal to dx by x. Now taking integration on both sides, integral 2 times of integral dy by 3 plus y is equal to integral dx by x. It will going to be 2 into this formula is log 3 plus y is equal to log x plus. So this is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2009. The differential equation of family of circles passing through the point origin and having their center lies on x-axis. Okay, let us draw x and y-axis. The equation of circle passing through the origin, center lies on x-axis. Okay, center for on x-axis, y coordinate 0. From origin to distance, let us take h comma 0. We have center and radius. We have center C h comma 0, radius r is equal to h. What is the form? X minus h whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to r square, where r square is h square. Okay, let us do simplify. X minus h whole square, x square plus h square minus 2hx plus y square is equal to h square. Both sides h square get cancelled. Okay, now x square plus y square minus 2hx is equal to 0. Let us take equation 1. Our target is the differential equation of family of circles. Okay, one arbitrary constant is there. Okay, now one time differentiation with respect to x. So a differentiation of x square, we get 2x. This is 2y into y1 minus 2h into x differentiation 1. Okay, we have to find 2h value. This minus 2h bring the right side. 2h is equal to 2x plus 2y1. This 2h value substitute in equation 1. It will going to be x square plus y square minus 2h value, right? 2x plus 2y1 into x is equal 0. Now it will going to be x square plus y square. So minus x multiplied to all minus 2x square minus 2x y1 is equal 0. It will going to be y square. X square minus 2x square is minus x square minus 2x y1 is equal 0. This is a difference equation form. Okay, moving to next question. This is from 2008. The differential equation of y dy by dx plus x is equal to c. Okay, so let us do LCM. Y dy plus x dx by dx is equal to c. Okay, let us do cross product. Y dy plus x dx is equal to c dx. Okay, now taking integration on both sides, integral y dy, integral x dx, c constant, integral dx. It will going to be integral y dy, we get y square by 2, x dy, x square by 2 is equal to c into 1 dx value x. Okay, it will going to be, let us do LCM, x square plus y square. What is LCM? 2 is equal to cx. So x square plus y square is equal to 2cx. It will going to be x square plus y square plus 2cx bring the left side minus 2cx is equal to 0. This represents equation of circle, center c comma 0. This center is c comma 0. This represents a circle. Okay, with center C0 radius is C. Center C0, radius is C. Okay, let me repeat. X square plus y square is equal to 2cx. Plus 2cx bring left side, x square plus y square minus 2cx is equal to 0. Okay. First we have to find center. Center, what is center? Coefficient of x by minus 2 and coefficient of y by minus 2. Okay, in this coefficient of x is minus 2 by minus 2, coefficient of y 0, 0 by minus 2. So what is the center? C0. So radius root under, what is the formula? G square plus f square minus c. So root under g square, c square plus f square, 0 square minus constant is 0. So radius is c. So center lies on x-axis. The family of circles center lies on x-axis. So this is answer. Okay, moving to next question. This is from 2007. Find the order and degree of the differential equation. What is given? 1 plus cubed root of 1 plus y1 to the power 5 is equal to y2. Okay, this differential equation can be written as polynomial equation. Okay, cubing on both sides. 1 plus y1 to the power 5 power 1 by 3 whole cube is equal to y2 whole cube. 3 get cancelled. First we have to find order as well as degree. So what is the order? Highest derivative of the differential equation. In this highest derivative y2. Okay, the order is 2. Power of highest derivative. So what is the power of highest derivative? 3. Degree is 3. What is degree? Power of highest derivative. So what is the order? Highest derivative of the differential equation. Okay, moving to next question. This is from 2007. The differential equation of family of straight lines whose slope is equal to y-intercept. So what is given? Slope is equal to y-intercept. Slope denoted by dy by dx is equal to y-intercept c. Okay, this is the, let us take straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c, where c is y-intercept. Let us do cross product. Dy is equal to c dx. Okay, now taking integration on both sides, integral dy is equal to c constant integral 1 dx. Therefore derivative integration get cancelled. Y is equal to derivative integration get cancelled, cx plus constant c. So what is the answer? C into x plus 1. This is the answer. Y is equal to c into x plus 1. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget like.